Good afternoon.
Hey, is this Luke from Crusader Machining?
Yes, sir, it is. How can I help?
Hey, I'm struggling with this job, man. I was wondering if you could help me out. You got a minute?
Yeah, go ahead. I'm here to help. What do you need?
Hey, I'm running this stainless job. I'm
Stainless.
burning up drills like there's no tomorrow. I'm getting like 4 cuts per drill before the drill completely burns out and melts.
So, what's your material, and is the drill in fact melting or shattering?
I'm running 17.4 stainless, and
17.4.
it's literally melting.
All
When
right.
I when
Well,
I stop everything, it's melting.
all right. Well,
Melted.
the first thing I would say, melted. First thing I would say is kick down that surface footage, 20 to 30% at least.
But here's the thing. My tooling guy gave me these speeds and feeds. He said, this is going to be perfect. Run it like this. You'll run it till the end of the job.
Is it working?
No, my drill's melting.
There you go. I understand that what your tooling rep said. Kick down your surface footage, your SFM 20 to 30%. Try that and give me a call back.
Okay, 20 to 30%. I'm worried, though, because the book is telling me what to run, and you're saying go slower. I'm worried
Yeah.
it's going to break the drill.
It won't break the drill. Books are books, but reality is reality. Kick down the surface footage. Try it. Make a few parts. If it doesn't work, call me back. If it works, call me back.
Okay, 20 to 30%. I'll give that a try. I'll call you back. Thank you.
All right. We'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.
Books are good. Books are great. I've read one before. I absolutely love them. But Booksmarts are trumped by experience. If a tooling manufacturer or a YouTube video or a book tells you to run a certain surface footage and a certain feed rate and it's not working, you have to adapt, you have to adjust. That's where experience comes into play. Experience will tell you how to get past there, but also the troubles that you find dealing with that are going to build up your experience, your battle chest of information for the next time you are on something that you're having a problem with. The information we get from the manufacturers or the books are not gospel. It's a starting point, as I've said time and time again. I'm willing to bet that we're going to get a call back from that fine gentleman, so stick around to find out whether or not he calls. But the second point of this message is this: his attitude, that go get him, I'm going to be successful, I'm going to be receptive attitude. Attitude always trumps aptitude. I've met a lot of intelligent people that were a nightmare to work with and never went anywhere in their life. But the people I've always seen succeed are the ones that have a go get 'em, can do attitude. That's what you need to succeed in our industry. If you can combine a winner's attitude with a wealth of experience and knowledge that you've gathered from years of being in this industry successfully, you will absolutely crush it and dominate in any shop that you go. Experience trumps book smarts. Attitude always trumps aptitude. Now let's see if this fine, handsome young gentleman calls back. Okay. Nope, can't do that. Good afternoon, this is Luke.
Hey, Luke, it's me again, the
Hey,
guy with
me.
the drill.
How are you?
I'm doing well. Hey, that worked a lot. I slowed the surface footage about 30%, kicked down the feed just a little bit, and I'm about 50 pieces in, and it's still running. The drill looks great.
Fantastic. What were you at before? 3 to 4 holes per, or 3 to 4 parts, and then your drill would burn?
Yup. And now it's 50, and there's no sign of stopping.
Fantastic. Yeah, having that SFM a little high usually can do that. They'll usually burn up that drill. I'm really glad to hear it, young man.
Awesome. Yeah, I'm stoked on it, man, and I just wanted to let you know I'm super grateful that you helped.
Another job well done. So as I had said before, books are books, experience are experience. Me, I like to use a combination of both. Take the manufacturer's recommendations, what you read in the book, what you learn from others, but combine that with your experience of what you have done on the machine yourself. And 9 times out of 10, I'd even say 10 out of 10, that's going to be your best bet. Take the recommendations that you learn or what others advise you of, consult the manufacturer and all the info in the books. Combine that with your experience because with the book goes, as I had said before, it's a guide. Sometimes they don't know all the situations that we're in. Coolant flow, alignment of the drill or the turret, what type of machine, what type of application. The material might just be completely different anyhow. You might have said it's 17.4, but it's 304. Who knows? Either way, this is Luke with Crusader Machining signing out. Like, subscribe, share, give your thoughts below, and thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.